Yes, so let me come back to what I was saying that the podcast is out every Wednesday. There is an episode for you available. And I did talk about the pain reliever that I am going to be publishing soon, the instructions and the exercise itself, the meditation. Why I am bringing that? Because I am all about conscious living and parenting. Conscious living includes how do we live? How can we be living in a healthy and positive way? So, over the years, this meditation that I'm going to share with you, I have practiced, since almost 2 decades, or a little less than 2 decades, but more than 15 years. And I have come to this point that I am going to share all the practices and all the breathing exercises related to all the things I have learned over the years. I want to share those because now I have almost perfected for myself. This talking about this pain reliever only, I will say that if you try this, it's a short meditation exercise, and I am sure that you will gain some benefit from it. If you have pain anywhere in your body, you can reduce it depending on how the intensity is. Some people can meditate through this exercise, walk through with me, and right away their pain is gone. And if it is not gone, then it is at least reduced or the intensity has lessened. So I would want you to try it out at least once it's out there. I will also be doing, I will update you. I will give a few days before I come on YouTube and Facebook and Instagram live to do in a group setting. So that would be also an experience. I will most probably be doing, I think I have scheduled tomorrow on Clubhouse. So we will do there as well. So I want to practice this with you and see how it works for you, because every individual is different, everybody is unique. It depends on how quickly can we relax, how tense that muscle, that spot is in your body. So this is all from head to toe. We go through relaxation exercise and walk through this meditation, and hopefully this will benefit you. My goal is to have a quick medication-free fix for most of our problems in our life. So this is one thing that I'm bringing to you this year, and there will be more, but I wanted to begin with this pain reliever meditation exercise. This can be considered as a medication, which is obviously a visual exercise. um, i i I'm so fond of this exercise because it is short. It is very simple. A few things that you need to do: find a nice clean place. And also, because it depends on where you are at the moment, that let's say you are in your office or you're somewhere that you are visiting or on an event. I mean, nowadays in pandemic we are mostly at home, but not all of us. So depending on where you are and what is your situation, your environment, your surrounding, you will have to see how it works for you. But this is such a short meditation exercise that you can do it anywhere, any time of the day. So we will be doing this together, and I hope you will like it. I want you to visit my website lightupwithShua.com and leave a note or question regarding this exercise once it's out, once you download it, once you go through my live sessions. Of course, if you are there, you want to ask me right then and there, I can address any questions you have, any clarity you need for how to do this exercise, and what are the follow-ups for this exercise, especially everybody, because everybody is unique and everybody is different. So things affect us differently as well. But one thing I know is that if it doesn't, the pain, depending on the intensity of it, if it doesn't go right away, if you do a couple of times this exercise, and it is maximum 7 to 8 minutes, you will be in a good shape. So how did I come to this? I will briefly talk about it. I will write in my explanation to this exercise, this meditation, and also I can explain it now that over the years, because I have read and I have done many certifications. I did yoga with Art of Living, but I did not get the certification because they had a different business model, and I couldn't go with that at that time, and also I wasn't willing to do what the business model required me to do. So I did not get a paper certification, but I did the intensive yoga detoxification and all that program I was in Saudi Arabia, and I did that. I have done Reiki. I'm a Reiki master. I like martial arts very much. Nowadays I'm into Tai Chi, and I have done Taekwondo. I'm a black belt in that. I do practice a little bit, but obviously I don't go through all the forms every day. But I am enjoying Tai Chi, and it gives you an amazing feeling, the way you get control of your breathing. And I am a big fan of breathing exercises that I do a lot, and that is part of my system when I do retreats. When I did in Pakistan, I encouraged and taught breathing exercises. I was planning to do few retreats in my town here in Groton, but the pandemic didn't want us to do all the plans that we had last year. So I'm hoping this year, maybe in fall or maybe next year, but I will be doing online retreats and of course workshops, and I'm bringing some courses. So that's where LUWS Academy, LightupwithShua Academy comes in. That's where I will be. That's my platform for all these courses and workshops and retreats. So I hope you will be able to join me in these, and let me know what you want to learn and what is that you are willing to spare time for. I will have some mini short courses and some in-depth courses. Same goes with the retreats. There will be few hours retreat and some longer retreats. So as the sign-ups come up for you, please do sign up and let me know which one do you want. And if you have any questions, if it doesn't address all your questions right then and there, you can always write to me. You can go to my website, lightupwithshua.com. There is a comment box. You can leave a comment there. And I have recently added a voice recorder message app. It is so convenient that you can just go to that app. It just says start recording, I think, and you just can click it, and then just whatever you have a question, you need to, if you want to, and you don't need to, but if you want to leave a review, I would really appreciate, about the website, about any of the episodes you have heard or watched, anything that you have, any question about the topic, any guests. So it's very convenient, and if you leave a review, I can play the review that you leave on my podcast. I am looking forward to that. I am collecting the reviews. I am already a little behind in all these reviews that I have, video reviews and written reviews. I'm slowly publishing them on my website. So basically, I wanted to connect with my viewers and listeners that I will be coming more on live YouTube and Facebook and Instagram, and I want you to participate and join me in my discussions, in my conversations. I can bring you on Instagram. I think I can bring you in as a guest, which will be free. Whoever wants to come in, we will, if you have a question, discussion with me, then we can do that. I am not sure if we can do it here on YouTube, but through Zoom we can definitely. So I'm looking forward to having you. I will be sending some links, and then you can join me on my Zoom conversation. So what else? Anything else? Yeah. So I will be talking more about my programs. Pain reliever is a very important exercise, so I will be talking more about it because people will have some questions. People who have done it with me, at times, their reactions, let's talk about their reactions, and I will bring them on my show and on these live or recorded podcast shows, who go through that exercise and what's their experience and if it has made any difference for them. I do not want everybody to say yes, it was great, just because for convincing other people that no, it works. But so far it has worked. But I am saying it. I want you to hear from people who are using it, and that's why there are so many people I don't know. And once you use it, I would be happy to have your review and your feedback, and I can have you on my show briefly through these voice recorders, or when I do live shows on Instagram, you can participate in it and come and talk about it. What was your experience when you went through this meditation exercise? So that's basically what I wanted to say. Let me see how far I have reached. Is anybody has any questions? All right, so this is all what I wanted to say for now. I will be going on Facebook and also on Instagram, so looking forward to connecting with you all my followers on YouTube. Thank you so much for following and subscribing, and I hope I can bring more programs for you which you will enjoy. All right, thank you.